Today we are going to be reviewing these beautiful wedges by Sophia Webster. If you're wondering if these shoes are worth the splurge, keep watching. Sophia Webster is a luxury designer. Her shoes are known to be very artistic. She has the ones that have the butterfly on them. They're very beautiful. Her brand began in 2012, and since then she's become one of the most renowned designers. You can get her shoes at luxury retailers or you can get them on her website. Celebrities like Beyonce, Rihanna, Blake Lively, and even Miss Kylie Jenner herself are known to love Sophia Webster. These wedges cost a pretty penny, but you don't necessarily have to pay so much money for them because honestly, 99% of the time I don't pay full retail price. What I do is that I go online and I wait for the shoe to go on sale. You are going to be paying hundreds of dollars, but it's not gonna be thousands or in the high hundreds. So the shoes do have an actual platform in the front. Whenever you see a shoe that has a platform in the front, it means, well, it doesn't mean, but it's more likely going to feel more comfortable on your foot. It does come with adjustable straps. They're very easy to put on. Now, something that I noticed is that the strap doesn't necessarily fall on your ankle. It tends to glide off a little bit, but you can walk with them just fine. Something that I loved about these wedges since the moment that I saw them is that they have a beautiful neutral color, and that simplifies what you can wear them with. I can dress these up, dress these downs, and as you can see, it matches with the blouse that I'm wearing. But I love the purple, the blue, the green, the yellow. It's beautiful. This part right here, it does have some type of cushion, and then the same thing here in the front. So that's a good thing because that makes them even more comfortable. Something else that I noticed about Sophia Webster is that her shoes are high quality. These are lightweight, and when you're buying shoes, go for something that is lightweight. Christian Louboutin has shoes that are also like that, but if they are lightweight, they are easier to walk in. The only part of the shoe that I find that is the most uncomfortable is this strap, my friends. So the strap is a little bit tight on my foot, and it's after I walk in them for a while. But something that I got was an expander on Amazon, and what that does is that you leave them overnight with the expander in here, and then that stretches the shoe significantly and makes it more comfortable to walk in. But for the most part, these wedges are very, very comfortable. They are true to size. If not, they run a little bit too small. So if you find them on sale, don't think that if you size up or if you size down, they're gonna fit. Most likely they're not, because these didn't, and then I was lucky enough to find my size. And I'm very fortunate for that. So why do so many women pay so much money for a pair of wedges? Well, these wedges will last you a long time if you take care of it. Like everything in life, if you want it to last, you have to take care of it. You have to not throw them or leave them outside of your closet, but instead just keep them there. A lot of people like to keep them inside the shoebox. I don't. I have my shoes lined up at the bottom of my closet, and I find that this helps me find whatever I need, and then it also helps the shoe last longer because it just lives there. It's just sitting there. Wedges are more comfortable than stilettos. So stilettos, if you're starting out with heels, I don't recommend them. I recommend you start off with wedges. They do give you a decent height, and they're more comfortable than stilettos or just sandals overall. Now, this pair in specific, I love them because I can dress them up or I can dress them down. For example, I can take them out to dinner, or I can wear them for a lunch, or I can do something more candid on a day out, and they just blend in perfectly with what I'm wearing. And I took these on my vacation, and most of my outfits for dinner, I was wearing these wedges. I'm gonna give you some outfit ideas. So you can wear these shoes with jeans and a top. You can wear them with a dress. If you're going on vacation, you could also wear them or for a brunch and a day of event. Now, my honest review, and if I think the shoes are worth the money, I honestly think that they do. When you buy a luxury item, most of the time you get your money's worth. As I told you, you can find them online and if it's a trusted retailer that has them on sale, I would say take advantage. I got these at Saks for a generous discount. I think my size was the last size and the pair that I got was the last one, and I was able to buy them and I saved a lot of money. I'm talking about probably more than half of what they usually cost. I also like the comfort level that they have. For me, they're comfortable. It's just a strap in the front, but I found the trick to widen them a little bit more. If you have wide feet, the shoes might not be ideal for you. My feet are chunky, but I don't have wide feet per se. But if you have wide feet, just because they're narrow, they might not be as comfortable. If you see that they get dirty, I think this material will not be sensitive to you washing it, but most certainly you can go ahead and do so. I would definitely be buying another pair of Sophia Webster shoes. I think that they are beautiful. I think her designs are unique, and I love the comfort level, and I think they make a great addition to my closet. I would love to know in the comments who your favorite shoe designer is, and if you would like to splurge on handbags or shoes. One of the two questions, let me know in the comments. I hope you love this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Also, huge thank you. Right now, I'm at 11,000 subscribers. This is beyond surreal, and for some reason, you guys really love my comfortable shoe videos. I have the best performing videos on my channel have been about shoes. So the fact that people love to see me talking about shoes is awesome. Please share this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.